Hey y'all, I'm Lachlan, and in today's video, I am going to be building something. Please disregard my appearance right now. We're getting very real with y'all. It's been a year now that I've been on YouTube, so I can share my bare face for once. But I do want to show you, and they are these model kits that I picked up yesterday, one being Gengar and the other one being Doraemon. So I am excited to build these today. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're excited to see these get built, but let's get right into it. So here are the two kits that I picked up. Like I said, the Gengar one and the Doraemon, which I probably wouldn't have picked this one up if that whole Doraemon Story of Seasons game wasn't coming out. I'm interested in that Story of Seasons game as well, so I think starting off with a little kit would be something cute to get into. And then Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon. Ninetales is obviously my most favorite, but Gengar comes in a close second for sure, so I'm excited to get into it. So I'm going to build Gengar first. So let's get into the remnants inside the package. So BRB. Okay, so here are all the pieces laid out, and I saved y'all from having to witness me detaching all of those from these sheets. I think Doraemon is the same way, but you can pick the expression that Gengar has, and I'm gonna pick this one here because that's kind of the expression I think of when I think of Gengar. This is pretty simple. Everything just kind of pops into place. So there are his teeth right there. He is already looking kind of cool. I'm gonna set him aside over there. Oh, and there's also stickers as well where you can change his eye expressions. Going on to the next step, and this looks terrifying right here, but I am gonna put in his eyes. So there's that, and I guess adding in the stickers for the expression makes sense. I'm gonna give him the most basic one without the red, and I'm not sure where those hand stickers would go. Like, he's already painted purple, so why would you need additional stickers? And this is very small. So there's his looking straight at you expression, and we can add that onto our like pink insides here. But there is that. Okay, it looks like we will attach his ears to the back half of him, and in fact this is quite spiky. And then this part should just pop on top, and then the front. Wonderful. Wow, that looks cool. Okay, now we add in his little tail on the back. And hopefully y'all can see this. My camera setup is always a little crazy when I'm doing these types of things. Now we got to put his hands together, but I'm going to assume that this is A1-6 and A1-7. Probably am doing a lot of this out of frame, so sorry about that. Now this one is not popping in as easily as the other one, and it would be helpful if I turned it to the side. Ah, there we go. There's two. Okay, his little hands, look at that. And now we attach them to the sides. Wait, what's missing here? Oh, we need this part. What am I missing here? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong item here. This right here is what I was needing, not that. Okay, so this fits like that. Perfect. Okay, now we can add his arms on the side. There's his arm. Look at that, 2 arms. So we need this and this piece. Oh, okay, at an angle. Okay. And then you take the second piece and clip that into place. And see how they all line up? They all have the same joints. And it just clicks in, super easy. So this will attach to his feet. Okay. But here are the little feet put together, and we can add them onto him. Oh my gosh, his little feet. His feet and his arms all put into place for the most part. But the last item here is just the tongue. And there we go. He is fully complete and put together. And I love how this turned out. This was really foolproof for the most part. It all clicked into place. I like the expression we picked, and if I wanted to change it later, it wouldn't be hard to do it. We still have some of these stickers, and I actually still don't know what these purple ones are for. I think it's to put it on the feet, but I actually don't mind that looking like that because you don't really see it because he'll be standing up. So there's no point in adding those stickers to the bottom. I'm going to put him over here to the side. And again, with Doraemon, I did the same thing. It also came with these little things, so I popped them all out of the packaging. And then the same thing with him as well. You can pick his eye expression. So they gave you quite a few little eye expressions here. I could pick the one eye and the one closed. I think I am going to do that because I do kind of like that expression here. So I am going to do one from this one and then one from here. And we will get into it. A lot less parts for this one than the other one. Even though it's all in Japanese on this one versus the Gengar one. All the pictures are here. It seems pretty seamless and easy from what I can tell. So we need this piece, this A2. And it's funny, they even have different shapes on the bottom so you don't mess up, even though this bottom piece looks the same from all sides. So there's his little feet. I think this is his tail that we're adding on the back. I don't know a lot about Doraemon. I'm sure I'll learn more when I play the Story of Seasons game when it comes out. But there's our first little bit. He's already coming together. We need this piece. Oh, we just need to fit these two together. So let's fit them. Oh, and I need to keep remembering to put my hands in frame. And then it clicks into this. What? Oh, this way. How though? Oh, okay, I see. So he's quite stocky then. So we fit that in place, and now it looks like this piece will need to go on top, and I think it's this way. Okay, so there's the outer shell of him there. And then see again with the different pegs here, so you don't mess up how to put this on here. Oh, I was doing it the opposite way. Okay, so there is that. Because you won't see these, but it helps you click it into place properly. Yeah, because the little lip in the front needs to be in the front because that'll be where you put his little bell. Am I putting it in upside down? Yes, I am. I was putting it on upside down. It's not completely foolproof, but I got it on there. Look at his little bell. And now we're to the head part. This just clicks onto this piece here. We are clicking this onto this. It should just click on there, right? Yeah, there we go. So let's add his faceplate. And there shows the black from the whiskers. I was wondering how they were going to incorporate those in. And then last little thing here, it looks like his nose. Cute. It looks like we put it in backwards at first and then we turn him. Oh, that's so neat that you click him in backwards, but then he turns around. And now we can add the stickers. Wonderful. Okay. And because the sticker's wider, they do kind of bend funny on the edge, kind of like a folding thing. So I don't know how I feel about these stickers. Like the Gengar one, the stickers were smaller. And so even though this is also not a flat surface, it works a little bit better than something like this where it just, you can kind of see the bends in it. Even though that is quite a cute expression, I think I might just take these off. He does have the pupils underneath and actually does not bother me that it looks like that instead. Sadly, going to remove the stickers for this one. A lot less creativity or changing up things on Doraemon versus Gengar, but here are those two little guys. I'll sit Gengar down and I'll kind of show you a little bit better of Doraemon and how he turned out, but love the cute little bell. Love his little tail in the back. I would say I had more fun putting this one together because it just felt like there was a little bit more thought into the pegs. Like you saw there were different shapes. And so it was a little bit more foolproof to put this one together versus the Gengar one. All of the pegs on this one were the same. Whereas this one, it really, on certain parts, there was no other way of putting it together. And you can kind of see down here that there is a square peg and a circle peg for this one piece alone. There are the two little guys. I love how they turned out. I picked these up for a pretty decent price at a local like hobby type of store. So yeah, if you want to see me kind of build some more of these, there were some other Pokemon in there that I was interested in. They had quite a few different Pikachu varieties. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. But like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more like this as well. And here's to a whole nother year of YouTube as well. I kind of am doing this the day after my actual 1 year anniversary, which was July 7th of last week. So thank you so much for watching.